Welcome to Logic Apps Essentials, a basic guideline. To run a business in any enterprise, processes and workflows are really important. Enterprises require a mechanism in which multiple applications are integrated and different business processes are automated through that mechanism. There's a huge need of cloud integrating applications along with data and workflows since the increase in cloud adoption. Microsoft Azure Logic Apps provide a mechanism for doing such sort of integrations and business process automations, thereby creating workflows by orchestrating software as a service component. In this course, we'll be giving you an introduction to Logic App. We'll talk about request-response scenarios, nested Logic Apps, batching inside Logic Apps, in-order message processing, and advanced control workflow. By the end, you'll learn the basics of Logic Apps, runtime examples of request-response scenarios, learn how does the nested Logic App work, and know the advanced features of Azure Logic Apps.